Hi mga Kalat Queens! Welcome to Titas of Kalat. Kung wala kang kalat,
baka ikaw ang chismis.
I'm Enzo, baklang pagod but make it fabulous.
I'm Z, ang babaeng walang pahinga. We're your tita besties, bringing you kalat, kape,
and conting sense every week.
So grab your tsaa,
Adjust your pante,
and get ready. Kasi sis, it's about to get chaotic.
This is Titas of Kalat, where the glow is real, but the chismis is real-er. Hi mga Kalat Queens! Welcome to our episode 5. The title is Confessions, Kalat, and Queer Baiting with the OGs. Okay? So quick recap since the last episode. So this episode we have 4 special guests, as you can see.
Yes.
Lima, including us.
Please introduce yourselves.
Miss Christine.
Yes.
Leo.
Amika.
Ako naman si Love.
The birthday gal.
The birthday gal. Nasaan tayo ngayon, mahal?
We are in Mars.
We're in Fresco.
Out of this world.
Yes. Nasa Frisco kami ngayon. We're visiting our bestie, Lovelyn.
Frisco, San Francisco.
Frisco, San Francisco. Yeah. Medyo, pasensyahan nyo na yung aming look, especially me. I'm
Siya
wearing
lang.
this because, yeah, I'm wearing this because, you know, I don't want to ruin my reputation.
Wow.
Yeah. Ay, medyo,
Okay.
medyo hangover lang ang mama.
Pet
Kaya,
peeve.
Ang pet peeve. Pet peeve? Pet peeve.
May pit peeve talaga.
This is the result of lack of sleep. Yeah.
Mommy life be like it.
So, this week, let's talk about like ano yung kalat moments you this week.
Who wanna go
One
first?
thing that's like very memorable na kalat.
Ako.
Very scandalous.
Okay, you wanna go first?
Itong kalat, it's a
Oh,
beautiful
literal.
kalat talaga.
Literal na kalat.
It's like, it's amazing. Wow.
Yeah.
No, seriously.
Kasi
Yung
all
mga
your
kalat
close
nyo,
friends
to
came
me,
for your
it's
birthday.
beautiful kasi it's like,
Oo, pero pinalinis kami.
just like,
Sabi, pinalinis kami. Pero ayusin nyo naman. Okay. Yun daw.
Para sa kanya, feels like home, pero lumayas na kayo. Ganun. Yeah. Sobra na. Like, intense.
Okay.
ikaw, Mika. Kalat ko, oh my God, I'm not prepared. Oh my God,
Marami.
Marami na akong kalat.
Which
Nahiya
one?
ako.
Kagabi,
Which one?
kalat? Kalat ba yun?
Kagabi, oh my God, I almost threw up that shot. Lovelyn was like looking at me like, Mika, kaya mo yan. Oh my God, nilunok ko ganun. Swallow it all. Ganon. Hindi ko kinaya, grabe. That's it.
Ako naman.
ikaw.
Oh, wow, Kalat sa akin is, you know, na-meet ko yung 6'6". Akala ko gusto siya, pero gusto pala ako. Oo. Yun ang talaga yung quit ko. Oh.
Yeah.
Kalat, no?
So, oo. So,
Sayang.
trinay kong kinuha, ayaw pa rin ako. Kinuha ko yung kamay niya, nilagay ko sa dede ko. Pero yung kamay niya nasa puwet niya na. So, yung tinitigan niya siya, hindi ako. So, gusto niya yung real girl. Oo.
2-in-1
Yung gusto niya talaga sa kanya.
So they're
Hindi ako.
referring to the Tin Room out here in Dallas. It's like a club. It's meant for the LGBTQ community, but a lot of the go-go boys are straight men. And one of the topics for today's episode is queer baiting. So let's get right into it.
What is queer baiting,
Queer
mahal?
baiting. So queer baiting is, in my own definition, queer baiting is, for example, a lot of OnlyFans users. A lot of them are straight, but they don't disclose that because they want to have an LGBTQ community target demographics. They make more money, obviously. And to me, I feel some type of way about that because it's technically using our community for their own benefit.
Yeah.
So that's one thing that I think is very negative about it. And so it's kind of like the same thing that's happened. So the tin room, the go-go boys, I was clocking them. I was like, you're straight. Get the fuck away from me. Kasi lapit sila eh. Like, may mga ano eh, hawak-hawak, ganyan. And so, I mean, I do understand also like the other part of it. They just trying to make money. You know, we could go as deep as sex work or whatever. And there's always gonna be like pros and cons, right? But to me, I do feel some type of way about it because I don't know. It's just so weird.
Parang scam, ano?
Yeah,
Parang
it's giving scam.
Yeah. It is not like, real, hindi siya genuine ba na...
It's like customer service at its
I'm just there to
finest.
work.
Yeah.
I'm just there to work. I'm not there to, have a good time. I'm just there to work. I need my money.
But yesterday, talagang din siya, betang-benta. Kasi diba, a lot of them try to be hard for the job. So like, when nagtutwork to, ay nako, ang tigas kaagad ng lalaki. Nakita namin talaga, I think I've been to the tin room like, maybe like 4 times already. Then maybe 3 times.
Fourth time.
Yeah, that was my 4th time. But every time, naka-dress up ako, gandara, ganyan. Si Beyonce ang kahapon, si Beyonce. So, ganda.
Insert picture!
I don't know, because I think cross-dressing to me, me personally, the definition of cross-dressing is kind of like for sexual pleasure. So to me, like I dress up to feel as a woman as I am. Oh, ganun ba yun?
Transvestite.
So cross-dresser.
Cross-dresser is like what you're doing.
Oh, okay. Ayan. Oh, straight kasi ako.
Yeah.
Hindi ko alam. Straight ako.
Transvestite is when you dress up and then for sexual pleasure.
Ayan,
Ako pala yung side piece.
Siya yung boyfriend ko. Yan. Pero, yeah.
Lalaki ako kagabi.
Pero patok na patok ako kasi, mukhang babae. Pero mas patok siya.
Panglaban ka naman. Palagi ka naman patok na patok
Honestly, mayaman na kami kung nabenta talaga ako. Yes. Ganon, yung take ko. Ikaw man, ang take mo sa queerbaiting.
So it's very new to me. I am not familiar with it, so I think I just don't like the honesty behind it. Yun lang yung akin. Because I don't like, pretending you're not who you're not. I think that's where the problem is.
I feel the same way as Mika, yeah. I mean, parang ang customer service. Parang trabaho lang. Parang trabaho lang. So I'm there to work. I'm not there to have fun. Parang, okay, like, leave na. I got my money already.
So I just feel bad for those who are very prone to that type of manipulation. Yung mga older na they can't pull. I mean, I don't want to sound very rude. Yeah. And so who are just really hoping to find love. But it is what it is. Diba?
Yeah. Sabi nga nila, nandito ulit kayo. You're back. Regulars din
2
kami.
days in a row.
2 days in a row.
Yeah. Wow.
No, kasi I feel like it's really fun anyways because it's like, it's also a safe space for women. Like, it's kind of like...
I agree.
No, I'm not gonna lie, yeah.
Yeah, because like my other friend, the last time that we went, she enjoyed it. Like, she enjoyed the fuck out of it because she felt like she can be who she is, like twerk, and then not worry about like guys like just
hitting on me, like something's gonna happen,
Yeah, so.
Tapos it's fun.
It is.
And then it's fun. Honestly, as a woman, parang mas komportable ka talaga.
And you see others are hyping you up.
Yes.
Oh my God. So like, you look so good. Mga ganun.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what we love.
No.
Our next segment is Kalat Kwentuhan. So, what's your current Kalat level on scale of 1 to 10?
I like to say 7.
Wow.
Yeah,
messy
medium
queen.
lang.
Okay, medium
Okay.
lang. Is that a
Medium
5?
rare. Like I like my steak.
Okay. And describe your vibe in one word.
Hyper. I think.
Hyper.
Yeah,
We're
very
Aries,
energetic.
so we're very twinsy-like.
Yeah.
So para kaming siblings.
Okay, same. What about you, Mika?
May kalat level, buhay ko yung kalat na kalat.
Mga 10.
Mga 10, gano'n.
Sabi ni Ten,
Mga 10, grabe. As in, ang gulo-gulo ng buhay ko ngayon. Ang gulo-gulo. Pwede ng MMK, gano'n. Lahat na MMK, iyakan, gano'n. Si birthday girl naman, si birthday girl.
Yes,
Ako
birthday
naman,
girl.
I would say 6 ngayon. Oo, 6.
Okay.
Oh, good girl.
Good girl. 6. And then, one word to describe myself.
Yeah.
I say fireworks.
Okay. Okay, Katy Perry.
Pasabog talaga ako.
Katy Perry.
Sumasabog. Araw-araw.
What's your Kalat level, mahal?
As of right now, I think it's 5, neutral. Yeah.
Medium din siya.
Medium din siya.
I'm so convinced.
Tapos, my vibe right now, it's martini! Martini!
Espresso.
Yeah, espresso martini!
Obsession siya.
Yeah, that's my
Yeah.
hyperfixation ngayon.
Okay.
Kita nyo naman, nakaganito.
Ikaw.
Me? Siguro mga 4.5.
Oh, talaga?
Huh?
Wow.
Hindi makala.
No,
Ang bait.
konting mess
Ang
lang.
bait.
Yeah, konti lang pero pag naging messy, powerful talaga. Oh, grabe.
Describe mo sarili mo.
Describe myself? Can't really describe myself. It's so hard.
Hard.
Hard! Hard!
It's so hard talaga.
We've discussed yung queer baiting nga. So what do you guys think about queer baiting in media?
In a gay culture, di ba, mahilig tayo sa straight. Like, straight presenting, masculine. So maybe that's why pwede sila mag-queer bait kasi masculine sila pero nag-act na gay or like
So, yun
in
na
love.
yun.
Oh.
Okay.
Kasi yung energy nila masculine.
Yeah.
Not like very feminine.
So, nakakonfuse
Katulad
ako.
ko, masculine. Ganun. You know.
Oh, masculine to, pare.
May time sex na.
Bawal bakla dito, man.
Mask for mask. Mask for mask.
Mask for mask. Oh my gosh. This one, it says, anyone here ever intentionally queer baited in real life? Or do you guys, would you do it?
Queer bait ako. Ako magko-queer bait.
Yeah.
Mukha ba ako makakapag?
Kasi queer na. Yung,
No, me, I don't know, I love my women. But I'm like, I don't know if...
Would you pretend that you're a lesbian?
Minsan kami
To
ni
like
Christine
to get-
Oh, no, not like that. But I do stare. I think we all do stare. But I don't think I could go down there.
Ang hirap mag-pretend. Yung parang you could see it na, oh my God, it's like not genuine. Ang hirap, ang hirap. Kasi
Yeah.
parang it's more effort to just
Pretend.
pretend who you're not.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kaya sabi ko, "Ay, hindi ko kaya."
Iba kasing intentional
Kaya,
talaga na queer baiting.
Yeah.
Kasi ang intention nila doon, para kumuha ng pera. Audience sa social media nila, cloud. Yun, engagement sa social medias and everything, ganyan. Yun.
Kalat confessions, rapid fire questions. One answer only, no explanation unless it's juicy, okay? Craziest thing you did for a crush?
Nag-dress up.
Parang nag-sneak out lang. Si mama kasi, wala siyang parang hinahayaan lang kami. Kasi lagi siyang natatrabaho. Nag-sneak out. Sabi ko, natulog ako. Like, mama, I'm tired. Oo, pero naka-dress up na ako. Under the blanket. So sabi ko, okay.
Wow.
So hinahayaan lang kami. I'm like, ma, pagod na ako. She's tired. So, parang chine-check ka.
Yeah.
Like, she got home and then alis na naman siya. Tapos tulog ako, pero dress up na ako.
What about you, Nika?
Grabe, 12 ako nun. Ginawa ko, nag-movies. Gumano siya, gano'n, no? Tapos gumagano yung kamay dito sa Sabi ko,
Nagpahawa ka ng suso?
Grabe, 12 lang ako, no? Kahiya. Ay, ma'am, I hope you're not watching.
Grabe naman, totoo.
My parents were always overseas, so there's nothing really like,
No protection.
and then they're so conservative, so everything is like so taboo. Oh, kasi wala akong parents and they're always working overseas.
Yeah.
So I was like, sure, why not? Kasi mahal daw niya ako eh. No, growing up, no one explained anything about that. I think that's the age where like, yung hormones nag-i-start na siya. Yung,
Yeah,
I feel
no.
like my body is changing a little, you know. It's saka, di ba sa Pilipinas, 12, high school ka na agad. Kaya sabi ko, oh my God, sige, mahal daw niya ako. Kaya akala, wow, hug niya ako yung pala, nandun na yung niya sa kamay. Yung sa, oh my God. Yung maliit kong siya. Yung ganun lang. Ganun yung kulit, ganun.
First time din niya yun. Sinabi niya, wow. Ganito pala yung mga bubas ng babae.
Mine, yung crush ko nun, ngayon asawa ko na, ni-sneak in ko siya sa kwarto namin. Sa kwarto ko, sa bahay ng lola ko. Ayan.
Ako naman, So, me and my ex-boyfriend, obviously, crush ko siya dati. Parang camping trip for like a couple of days. And then, we were in the same tent as with his family member. Wow. Right? You guys already know where this is going, right? So, let's just move on. Okay, next question. Who's your unexpected celebrity hall pass?
Oh, si Jason Momoa, if you're watching this, you can get
I
this.
heard, ano daw, jute siya.
Oh, it's still okay. It's okay. Or si Idris Elba. Daddy. Call me.
Yeah.
Call me.
Ako si Chris Pratt. From
Yeah, no,
Guardians of
I
the
know.
Galaxy.
Yeah.
Chris Pratt ba yung pangalan niya?
Yes.
Oo, yan. Sa akin.
Why?
Kasi, may dad bod siya. I don't
Oh,
know.
you like that. A
Dad
little,
bod.
a little bit of ballet.
Yeah, a little bit of balance. Tapos kasi, you know, mukha akong 12. Batang-bata ang dating. Gusto ko daddy. Daddy issues.
Wow, putang ina.
Daddy issues.
June, ang laking problema niya.
Wala ka talaga.
Si Chris Brown.
Chris Brown?
Oo, haba ng
Even
titi
after
nun.
everything that he's done?
Hindi yun yung iniisip ko. Inisip ko titi niya.
Okay.
Kasi, yeah.
Right now.
Kasi ano lang naman eh. Hopas lang naman eh.
Okay.
Hopas lang naman.
Okay, Micaela.
Ako si George Clooney. Crazy, right?
Silver Fox.
Yes,
Yeah.
mga ganon. Yeah, mga ganon ang gusto ko.
Yeah. Si Anderson Cooper din. Oh my gosh. Yung best friend niya si Andy Cohen. Yes! No, yeah. They're both so good looking.
Describe mo siya.
Magic Mike.
Channing Tatum.
Channing Tatum. Jump on it. Yeah. Ito, bilisan niyo yung sagot niyo dito, okay? Sino sa atin ang pinaka-wild? 1, 2, 3, go!
Ito.
Ba't ako? June.
No.
Char.
Her. Si baby girl.
Ay, hindi
Si
ako
baby girl. Hindi si June sikat. Hindi si June sikat.
Alam mo, ang gulo nyo, siguro lahat kayo. Wow. Tuturuan na.
One more.
Wow, lahat kayo.
Hindi, ang pinakamataas na wild talaga,
Sikat.
ikaw. Tapos pangalawa siguro ako.
Okay, yan.
Pumapangatlo.
Or pareho kami.
Oh.
Or,
No.
ato na, dalawa na tayo.
Ako, tahimik lang ako sa umpisa.
Tahimik lang to sa umpisa, pero putang ina, huwag yung kakantayin niya. Kasi talagang bubuka ka.
Ako'y tahimik lang sa umpisa, kahit di mo ko pilitin. Malasing mo lang ako agad sasama, kahit di mo ko akitin. Meron ka bang lemon? Gusto ko tequila.
In 3, 2, 1, who's the quietest?
Me. Me. Ako yung pinaka-santa dito.
Ikaw yung mami namin.
Yes.
Ba't parang hindi ako naniniwala?
We're very responsible kapag nasa out kami.
Yeah.
Responsible. Hindi niya kami hinahayaang
Mawala.
mawala tapos sumama sa boys.
Who's most likely to get kidnapped easily?
Si Lovelyn.
Why?
Kasi I think very...
No, sometimes. Ako. Si Chris. No.
Parehas kayo.
Between me and her, ako na, take me home. Si Lovelyn naman, ang kulit mo, tara na.
Yung tipong may candy yung van, pupunta ka sa...
Oo, parang ganon. Like, you got ice cream, I want it too. Ganon. Siya nagtutumitigil sa akin. Pero then, she has her moments though.
Yes,
She
I
do have her
I
moments.
definitely have
Kung
my moments.
gusto niya.
Next question. Who has the most mature mindset?
Mature. At sa atin,
Okay.
Well, I'm the wise one talaga. I'm
Yeah.
telling you guys, I'm a saint. Charot.
Yes.
Ayun, naalala ko na yung sabihin ko. Kasi yung mga taong di nakakakilala sa akin, they would think that like I'm the wild one, yung malandi, lahat na. No offense sa mga malalandi, walang problema doon. Basta, like they would think I'm that, pero hindi naman talaga.
Okay, next segment. Game time. Truth or kalat? All right.
Okay.
Ang spicy.
We'll randomly pick someone, okay? So, okay. So, may ka-situationship ka bang hindi pa tapos hanggang ngayon?
Kabwisit kayo. Alam nyo, pinapagalitan na nila ako. As in talagang, Mika, ano ba? Minsan nga, naiyak na ako kasi hindi, oh my God, as in, hanggang ngayon, kaloka, hindi mabitawan.
Yeah, pinaiyak ko to eh.
Pero mahal pa rin nila ako. As in.
Truth or kalat? Biggest kalat moment sa public place?
biggest kalat. The biggest.
Parang sa'yo yun dapat.
Junior. Ha? Ako? Biggest kalat?
Oo, sa labas.
One of my kinks is like public play.
Okay.
Why?
I don't know.
exciting.
It's just so thrilled. Yeah, it's so exciting. What about you guys?
Public. Ako sinabi ko na, gym.
Gym.
Like steam rooms.
Well, your work.
Wala, just kidding. Kasi
Yeah.
baka mamaya yung mapanood to ng gym ko. I-cancel yung membership ko.
oo, yeah.
Hindi, wala akong ginagawa.
Wala.
Public sa balcony. Yeah,
Yung
yung
mga
gusto
tao
ko.
nanonood.
Gusto ko nanonood sila.
Oo, ayan.
Yeah.
Video mo kami.
Pakita ko sa'yo. Gusto ko ganun. Kasi parang it's like, the attention is on you. And then you feel more like sexier. And
So,
you
pwede ka
feel like,
mag-porn star.
Ay.
So,
She already is. Please subscribe to her OnlyFans below. Charot. What about you, Christine?
Alam,
Public.
sa bus.
Ilang oras yung bus ride, be?
Whole hour lang naman.
Hindi ka nakaano,
yung-
pigil.
Hindi. Ayaw niya tumigil. Kam ng kam, pero ayaw niya pa rin tumigil. Yung bunganga ko. yung bunganga ko parang kinikira break.
Mapango?
Oo, mabango pa rin. Kaya,
Alin?
ha? Diyan.
Kailan? Aray.
Surprisingly, I have one.
Same. Ay, mami.
Di ba,
Eskandalo.
Eskandalo. Nung college ako, Hindi, yun lang kasi yung pinaka, exciting na part. Charot, exciting part. Nung bata ko, sa, public restroom.
Okay.
Yeah. Di ba?
Has anyone here
Hindi.
not done it in the public restroom?
I have not.
You have not.
Yeah, I have not.
Yung sa banyo?
Yeah, public restroom.
I don't know, it's interesting.
Like Kroger's or Walmart.
Hindi ako, Trader's Joe. Ganun.
Wow! Trader's Joe.
Organic dick.
Whole Food.
Sa kanya whole food.
Hindi, Whole's Food.
Holes. The whole food.
Sakit ng ulo ko. Ito yung pinakamagulong natin, episode. Ito yung pinakamagulong.
It's so much fun though. I love it.
Ano ba? Parang,
So next question. Have you ever ghosted someone who didn't deserve it?
I have not. I never really ghost people.
Same.
They ghost me.
Like don't ghost.
Oh, I never ghosted. Because I know how it feels and it's just
Yeah.
never great. So I would
It's
never
so
want-
disrespectful in my opinion.
Yeah, you know who you are.
Oy, hindi kasi siya marunong mag-kiss. Ang gwapo naman sana niya. Tangina kasi yung dila niya. Gusto ko sloppy. Sa kanya naman, ganyan, what is that?
Ano yung ibon?
Okay, ang tigas ng dila niya. So sabi ko, you gotta go. I ghosted him after. So I gave him one chance just to see kung okay. He was such a good guy. Like, he was fun, goofy, funny. And then I just did it. Like, I couldn't.
Yeah.
But you
Like,
wanna
after that kiss, and then the second kiss, it was just like, I can't. And then, alam ni Loveland to. And then I'm like, I can't. Parang, wala na. Ginos ko na lang siya. Putang ina. Yun na.
What about you, Mika? Have you ever ghosted anyone?
I don't think intentionally. I don't know if that counts.
What happened? Explain.
Like, I really just forgot about the guy. I did. Tapos magde-text siya na, hey, sabi ko, ay, wow, nakalimutan ko.
So hindi na ako magre-respond.
How long? Nung hindi kayo nag-usap na, tapos nag-follow up siya, how long was the time in
That was like a
between?
week.
Wow.
Yeah, parang nakalimutan ko na siya.
Oo.
Yung sabi ko, ay.
That's, yeah, wow.
But then I didn't feel bad. I don't know why. Kasi
Okay.
parang hindi naman siya
Nag-engage.
nag-engage or
He
parang...
doesn't reciprocate.
Yeah, iba rin yung sinasabi niya kanina na golden retriever siya, yung parang lahat na, you want someone to treat you good, but then it's
Yeah.
like the energy is not there.
Yeah.
Yung parang,
No.
and then you feel bad, so it slowly
Walang
kind of
spark.
dies down, and then nakalimutan ko na siya. And it's like, I feel bad. Because you know, like, the person really, really likes you.
Yeah.
Yung ganon. So you feel bad for breaking someone's heart. Ganon.
Ate Lovely ni ka.
Lovely.
Ghost ka.
Marami. Mahirap sa akin
Mag-reject.
reject, yes. So I just block them.
Okay.
And even after you say like, oh, it's just not working, like I'm not interested.
Ikaw, Ate Z, nag-ghost ka?
Ako?
Or have you ever, even like friends, have you ever ghost? That works
Ay,
too.
Yeah, that works too. Yeah, no. Honestly.
I think I have. Pero parang unintentionally din. Kasi parang siguro ang tagal nang hindi nag-uusap na kaibigan. Tapos parang one-sided na lang ba yung communication?
Yun na lang yung nagtatrabaho.
Parang, oo. Tapos all of a sudden,
ko, at that point, nag-ghost ka. From
oo.
one-sided
Or baka
conversation.
ako din. Parang nagawa ko siya ng
Mm.
unintentionally.
Yeah.
Pero, yeah. Ayun.
Pag sa friends, nag-ghost na ako. Like, I cut people off so easily.
Yes.
Oh, family! Yes! Family!
I would have like childhood friends in the Philippines who would reach out to me and ask for money, and I just put them on scene. Sometimes, I mean, recently I've been able to say no. Tapos caps lock talaga. No. No should be a full sentence. Period. Like I don't need to explain myself any further.
Okay, last question. Meron na ba kayong the one that got away? Or kayo yung the one who got away?
Yung totga niya.
Totga. Ikaw ba yung totga? O meron ka bang totga? Loveland.
Yeah.
I'm thinking 2 people.
Okay.
Yun lang.
Yeah.
Marami na yun.
Yes. No,
You know what I
actually.
mean? Because
Yeah.
we're talking about like
Yes.
lifetime, like
Oh
to me that's
naman.
marami.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. Okay, Michaela.
Ako yung parang ngayon, I feel like napipredict ko na we're both each other's going to be totga. Alam mo yun.
Yeah.
Alam nyo yun.
That's
Yung
tough.
parang nafe-feel ko na siya na doon pupunta. Kasi ang tagal na, walang nangyayari. Tapos but then, ay, gano'n na lang. Gano'n na
Na
mangyayari.
parang right guy, wrong time.
Yeah, but is it really the wrong time or is it the right guy? You don't know. So, di ba? Di ba? Ganon. Oh, maiyak ako, wag. Wag.
Okay lang, it's okay. This is a safe space.
It is safe place.
You know,
Yeah.
you think about it every day, but it's okay.
How about you, June?
Isa lang yung relationship ko. I think ako yung nag-away. Kasi parang, I was really a wifey. Ako yung nag-got away. I was really doing everything, cooking, cleaning, parang, all that. Pero,
Like, bigay ka na bigay.
oo.
Yeah.
Na a year and 6 months kami. And yung problema ko, I'm a people pleaser. So, willing talaga akong i-give up everything that I am para sa kanya.
He's not your one that got away. No.
No, kasi ako yung nilet go niya eh.
Meron ka bang
But if you had a choice, would you?
Honestly, hindi kasi parang kapag nag-continue, hindi ako magiging who I am now. You wouldn't know who Catalina is. I think Catalina would have already been out of the picture now.
That's not good.
And that's a big part of your
Yeah.
life. And
You're
I'm so
so
glad
na.
na
Life lesson talaga, life lesson.
Yeah, I feel more...
It's giving parang, alam mo yung mga relationships na your partner's not out. It's like taking you back into the closet. I'm like, bro, I'm not gonna go back in the fucking closet
Yeah,
for
kasi
you.
yung
I don't want to. Yeah.
Yung explanation niya, sabi niya na, I dated Leo, not Catalina.
Oh.
And so, parang hindi naman ako nagde-dress up sa kanya. Sa friends lang ako nagde-dress up.
But it's part of you.
It is.
It was an
No,
issue
yeah.
for him.
It was an issue for him, yes. At the beginning, it wasn't until it was. And then I got deployed to Turkey, and I really got to express as Catalina, and I enjoyed it like a lot. And that became like kind of like, oh,
First
this
time
is
I
kind
saw
of
he was dressed up.
yeah. Then Catalina got really, really boring. Like I was so uncomfortable going out with makeup. So it was kind of like when she was born, I was just like, oh, I love it.
Ikaw, Christine.
Ikaw,
I felt like ako yung nag-got away because I begged.
Oh.
Like, nagbeg. Oy!
He
Saglit lang.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 years kasi in. And then, oy, I don't like.
It's okay. It's okay.
This is a safe space.
It's okay.
So, listing naman. I think she just knows. Parang gusto ko pa rin.
Until now?
Parang pinaforce ko lang ngayon. So, I begged for like 3 years. Pero wala pa rin. But now, I'm like gone. But my feeling's still there. Pero I don't want it. The feeling's still there na parang gusto mo. Maybe it'll change. But will it change?
Are you still hoping?
I'm hoping, but I don't want it. We were like living together for 5 years. Like that 2 years, parang roommate na lang kami. He's like everything that I always wanted that Loveland's getting it now. He loves me. This man loves me. But with my kids, I wanna, like wherever we go with my kids, I want you to come, but you don't. Okay, hey, you don't want it, you can stay here by yourself. Yung parang ganon. okay, it's okay naman mag-save. It's okay to save. You can always save, you know, for the future, for 1K, all of that. But I want to enjoy, I want to travel, especially my kids. They're growing up. I cannot get that back. With kids, you can never get that back.
You can't.
Yeah, so no, I don't want it. You know, am I looking? No.
You're just enjoying life.
No, I'm just, exactly.
Yeah.
I'm
Making
just
memories.
enjoying it.
Yeah.
Yep, with my kids.
So it's time for our closing and takeaways for this episode. So what do you think you deserve in this life?
Ako, easy answer. Family. I'm very, like a big
My
family.
family.
Yeah, like family. Like, husband, kids, ganun, family, dogs. So, yun lang yung one thing that I'd want for my life, like, before I die, is to, like, continue my legacy. Ganun.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
I want that for you.
Thank you. Ayun din ang gusto.
Because that's me too.
Yeah.
I think that's all of us.
Yeah, no.
Ah,
Kasi
talaga?
gusto lang naman
Wala
natin
kayong
ng-
sariling answer? Visit kayo?
Sa'yo na. Sa'yo na yung answer, be.
You see,
Sa'yo na
that's
yung
why we're all like so close and connected. Like our connection is like grabe. Kasi iisa lang yung core natin eh. Gusto natin ng yung magkaroon ng ng pamilya na mahal tayo, may partner na nagmamahal sa atin ng totoo.
Yes.
Meron tayong friends na ganito. Alam mo yun? Yun lang yun.
I think nasa kultura din natin. She
Yeah,
mentioned it
no.
earlier. Nasa kultura natin yung
Yung simpleng
family.
buhay.
We're all about family. All about that.
Pamilyang simpleng buhay, yung masaya ka lang. Yeah.
Ang saya ng Dallas trip namin.
Yeah.
Ang saya-saya. Oh, okay. Bago natin i-close lahat. Ano yung about our trip? Yung our experience. Singit lang.
Oh my God.
What is your favorite part?
Honestly, just you guys being here. Mas na-enjoy ko nung tayo dito sa apartment ko. When we're like this. This is
feel like
more
home
like,
again.
yung
Having everyone together.
yes, yun. Yun yung favorite part ko.
What about you?
Favorite part ko, meeting Lorenzo tsaka si Christine. Kasi, like, this is...
Actually, just me.
Hindi nga, totoo lang. Sa podcast lang to.
Oo na. Ikaw na.
Hindi, meeting them too. Kasi, this is my mga ates. Ito, yan. They've always been with me since we were in Germany. So, meeting the people that's close to them, it's kind of like, makes me feel...
Parang full circle moment.
Hi Vince, kung nanonood ka, we miss you!
Papa
Oh, I think you watch it.
I haven't
Yes.
Oh my God, if you were here, kompleto na.
Si
As in
Mr.
talaga,
Monay,
Grabe.
Pandesal.
Monay.
Paa. Ay,
Yeah,
Oh, how about you, Micaela?
Akin, yung time. Our lives are so busy.
Yeah.
Like the fact that everyone made time for each other, for us to just be
Yeah.
together. Hindi, ang hirap nun. It's so nice for all of us to just be here.
I think it's been like 2 years
Yun
since
eh.
I've
Yeah,
seen
di ba? Ang
you
tagal na rin.
Oh my God.
Ito, last time nakita ko to. Oh my gosh.
2 years
Buntis
sa
ako
akin.
kay Mika. Buntis ako kay Mika.
Anak niya.
Buntis ako
Anak
kay
Kay Maya. Last time ko
Buntis
siya
ako
nakita,
kay
Boy
Maya.
Yeah, last time I
Yeah.
saw her. So it's been so long.
I think the last time nakita kita, before ka buntis kay Maya.
Oh, see?
So, ginagawa niyo pa.
Nanonood siya.
Nanonood siya.
Yung nag-squeeze. Yung nag-squeeze pa.
Oh, ikaw naman, Christine. Ano yung favorite part mo?
Oh my God, my favorite part, yung na-meet ko kayo, wala ka pa. Wala ka pa nun. But I really feel like, when I told Loveland, I felt like home. And then this is, yung parang pamilya lang talaga. It's not the andito na yung I'm gonna meet some friends.
Yeah.
I met some family here.
Yeah.
The stuff that we had
One-sided.
talked about. Kasali ka na rin yun.
Kontrabida ang po.
Kasali ka na rin. Kasali
The villain of the story.
Oo na. Baby girl. But yun, like all the stuff that we had talked about, I've never in my life, stop! And again,
Iyak na naman.
oh, sorry, emotional kasi ako eh.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it meant a lot, Like this right here,
core memory.
Yeah, no,
Yes.
totally. Like, iba talaga siya. It's not like somebody just like, oh, kamusta na?
Yeah.
Dito talaga.
Yung parang nagpo-force ka ng conversation. Diba?
Dito talaga, parang simple lang Simple lang talaga yung, parang,
Hindi talaga.
I feel like I'm me when I'm around you guys. Yung ganun ba?
Naubos yung energy
Ang gaan lang.
Genuine.
Genuine. Yun.
Sobrang gaan. Mabigat yung sa akin.
Mabigat ka. Oo, hindi.
Yung mabigat lang yung puwet.
lang.
My favorite part ko, ito. Actually, ito ngayon. Yung nangyayari ngayon. Itong, itong episode na nandito tayo lahat. Yeah, this is my favorite part. Na nakikilala ko pa kayo even more. Especially si Christine. Yeah. Kasi
I'm very inquisitive. If you didn't notice, like I asked like deep questions.
inquisitive. Wow.
My
Lorenzo.
favorite part, obviously, the whole entire time. But my highlights is the dinner last night because we looked so fucking good.
Yes.
Beyonce show.
Yeah. Yes, the
That's
place was awesome. It's very Instagrammable. Like we ate, like literally and figuratively. Okay.
He ate fish.
Salty sila kasi it reminds them of their own.
Anyways.
Excuse me.
Char.
Parehas kami ni Micaela ng OBGYN dun sa Germany. Yung pH level ko, laging perfect.
Wow.
Tanong nyo kay Dr. Jerome. Here, insert.
Pampano, gano'n. Pampano. Okay. So that was top one, and then the first two nights when we were like sharing our stories. I mean, I won't go further into details, but that was really one of the strongest moments I've ever had in my
Very
37 years of
powerful.
existence. Yes, and like I don't even do that with my therapist, but for some reason, I don't know. This time it just happened. Coincidence? Probably not. But
It meant a lot. No,
Yeah.
it meant a lot.
Talaga.
especially with Christine because I just met her that day,
Yes,
and
yun
like
nga eh.
we just immediately bonded, and I don't know. That's just so rare.
Yun yung sabi
For
ko,
my case,
komportable
yeah, it's
talaga.
really rare.
Yeah. So that's why I felt like home. Parang pamilya ko talaga to.
Hala, siguro talaga nung past life natin,
Yun nga
magkakapatid
eh.
tayo.
I met you
Multiverse,
then.
oo.
Mali mo mag-asawa pala kayo nung past life. Tapos kami mga...
Daddy!
Oyster! Alam ko lang tahong.
Ina mo ah. Amoyin mo nga. Andiyan ka na naman eh. Amoyin mo na, dali. Andyan ka na.
Amoy!
Complain ka na.
Amoy! Dahil.
Shark bait. Anong amor? Anong verdict?
Sea bass.
Yung kinain niya ka.
Wait!
Purple.
Oh my God! Alam mo, mahirapan ako mag-edit nito. Kaya we better wrap
Wrap it
this
up.
up. Let's
Yeah.
wrap it up.
Thank you, mga Kalat Queens,
Thank you so
for
much.
sticking with us. Episode 5, halfway through, I think, right? 10 episodes, maybe? I don't know. Maybe we'll finish it. Episode 6.
Let's see. Yeah. Please don't
Yes.
forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Please.
Oo.
Share. Ha?
Oo.
Okay.
Marimunyo ka, ha?
Yeah. I-follow nyo kami sa amin lahat ng social media platforms. Okay, do you wanna plug
Plug
your,
anything?
Plug your butt plug.
Ano ba yung ko? Hindi ko alam yung social media ko talaga, promise. I am love.
I am love.
I am love, pero
You are love.
underscore I am
love.
love with number 3 instead of E. Micaela San Jose, that's it. Yeah.
You can follow me on Instagram, LDBGNZLSIII.
Bakit yun?
Ano, full name ko without the vowels. Except yung I, kasi kailangan na si I del Sasa. Kasi that third. I de las Alas.
Okay, Christine.
You can follow me on IG. _Chris N, KRISANN.
I love that.
Period.
I am so happy. Ito yung aking favorite episode so far.
Yeah,
no?
it was really dynamic.
Yes.
And,
Ang kalat.
Black lang.
Okay, Kala Queens, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much.
Bye.
We love you. Adios. Adios, muchachos.
Bye.
Ay, escándalo. Arriba.
Ang tagal. 2 hours.